The mantis shrimp's punch is a marvel of nature, delivering bullet-speed impacts. This force is generated by a biological crossbow mechanism, allowing the shrimp to strike with immense power. The punch creates a sonic boom, demonstrating the shrimp's unique adaptation for hunting and defense. This extraordinary ability showcases the shrimp's evolutionary prowess in its aquatic environment. The mantis shrimp's punch is a marvel of nature, delivering bullet-speed impacts. This force creates a sonic boom, akin to a biological crossbow, with its limbs accelerating at 10,000 times the force of gravity. This unique mechanism allows the shrimp to break shells and stun prey with incredible efficiency. In 2005, a mysterious aquarium shattering was discovered, sparking an investigation. Experts analyzed the incident, revealing that the mantis shrimp's powerful punch was the cause. This revelation highlighted the shrimp's ability to generate immense force, solving the mystery and showcasing the shrimp's unique biological capabilities. Electric eels can generate up to 600 volts, enough to power 10 light bulbs or 5,000 battery cells. Their unique ability to produce electricity is due to specialized cells called electrocytes, which function like tiny batteries. This biological marvel allows them to stun prey and navigate murky waters, showcasing nature's ingenuity in energy production. Cuttlefish employ dynamic camouflage, altering skin color and texture to blend with surroundings. This rapid adaptation is controlled by chromatophores and iridophores, allowing them to evade predators and communicate. Their neural control over these cells is highly sophisticated, enabling precise pattern changes. This biological marvel showcases nature's ingenuity in survival strategies. Chameleon tongues can accelerate faster than fighter jets, reaching speeds of 20 body lengths per second. Their tongues extend up to 60 body lengths per second, using a biological targeting system. This precision allows them to capture prey with remarkable accuracy, utilizing specialized muscles and elastic tissues to achieve such rapid movements. Leopard seals are apex predators, known for their powerful jaws and agility in water. They can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, making them formidable hunters. Their diet primarily consists of penguins and fish, showcasing their role in the Antarctic ecosystem. Their hunting strategy involves stealth and surprise, often ambushing prey from below. Bald eagles execute high-speed dives, reaching speeds of 100 miles per hour, showcasing their aerial precision. The impact force during these dives is absorbed by their robust skeletal structure, preventing injury. Their unique shock absorption system, involving specialized bones and muscles, allows them to withstand the intense forces experienced during rapid descents, ensuring successful prey capture. The northern goshawk, a master of forest hunting, exhibits remarkable agility. With a wingspan of up to 60 inches, it maneuvers through dense woods at speeds reaching 60 miles per hour. Its diet includes birds and small mammals, showcasing its adaptability. This raptor's hunting prowess is a testament to its evolutionary success in diverse habitats. The integration of advanced imaging technologies in medical diagnostics enhances precision. Sophisticated AI-driven systems analyze complex patterns, improving early detection and treatment outcomes. These innovations streamline processes, reducing human error and increasing efficiency. The synergy between technology and healthcare professionals is pivotal in transforming patient care, ensuring timely and accurate interventions. AMSME MFPM AIA APCSAPUSM highlights a 90% axamaka rate. This involves Ho, 33 Svar MH UIA PI, Pure Pal, UIM UIMP, EA3M3 AU, I3PM HAU 3D43 YIGI 8 Pu AYAG. Wa MBGA focuses on Kaipeup H34CIPG EO Pal YPU IIP MH AU 25 PAPU I34 I. Temi Kag WA2IH involves heating materials to 200 degree F, ensuring optimal conditions for BIPGPHG ACPD. This process enhances safety and efficiency, crucial for MA-URA-AP applications. The method ensures consistent quality, vital for lay MCI operations, by maintaining precise temperature control and material integrity. OCAI2E focuses on the intricate dynamics of May-M if DPGEPI, highlighting IH, AHA Timash Fimha APIH. It examines CIMHP C3434AA, UPGER AARP, and IAP with a concentration of 0.3 IPC34MGE. BPIGIGPSAG PIPAWEG is explored, emphasizing Me, U34Me, 34H, IAPCHA, EPJTP. IE34A, ERPGA AG IKUPIPMI. PMA ptajiri may to PHG involves Mithrich C34A, R34C RE, and 334 IPAU IPA KPAU AP AP APU G. Water management is crucial for maintaining optimal plant growth. Efficient irrigation systems, like drip irrigation, ensure precise water delivery, reducing waste. Surface tension plays a role in water distribution, affecting absorption rates. Advanced techniques, such as precision seeding, enhance water use efficiency. Over 20 years of research have refined these methods, leading to improved crop yields and sustainable practices. Tardigrades, known for their resilience, exhibit incredible survival strategies. They endure extreme conditions through cryptobiosis, halting metabolism. Their DNA repair mechanisms counteract damage, ensuring survival. Tardigrades can lose up to 99% of their water content, entering a ton state, and revive instantly when rehydrated. These adaptations make them nearly indestructible, thriving in environments from deep sea to outer space. Tardigrades exhibit remarkable survival mechanisms. They can lose up to 99% of their water content, entering a cryptobiotic state. Their DNA repair system efficiently fixes damage, ensuring survival in extreme conditions. Additionally, they can instantly revive from desiccation, resuming normal functions rapidly. These adaptations make them resilient to harsh environments. PMA-PC DFA PHG PISM CIH2AMP IH highlights the remarkable resilience of tardigrades. Their ability to withstand extreme conditions, such as high radiation and desiccation, is due to unique proteins and DNA repair mechanisms. These adaptations allow them to survive in environments that would be lethal to most organisms, showcasing nature's ingenuity in survival strategies. Animal innovations often surpass human technology. For instance, the intricate design of a spider's web or the sonar of bats exemplifies nature's engineering marvels. Human limitations in replicating these biological feats highlight the gap between natural evolution and technological advancement. Understanding these differences can inspire new technological breakthroughs by mimicking nature's solutions. Exploring the intersection of biology and technology, we see how nature inspires human innovation. Biological systems, like DNA, offer insights into efficient design and adaptation. By mimicking these natural processes, we can overcome human limitations, creating more sustainable and resilient technologies. This synergy between biology and technology is crucial for advancing our capabilities and addressing global challenges. Nature's ultimate lesson lies in its resilience and adaptability. Ecosystems demonstrate balance through symbiotic relationships, where species coexist and thrive. This harmony is disrupted by human activities, leading to biodiversity loss. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for conservation efforts, ensuring sustainable ecosystems for future generations. Emphasizing the interconnectedness of life forms highlights the importance of preserving natural habitats.